No, no, no.
My knuckles are bigger.
Oh yeah, it's just your hand is not oily. It's very dry.
Put lotion on him.
They have photo op, they can do photo right now with the rings and everything, and then they can come over.
So we'll just do a few minutes of pictures of those two sitting on the mandap, and then they're gonna just go upstairs. Tongue should lead Dada to the mandap, and then we'll lead Kabab to the mandap. Or Nia or Tongue, both of you can do it together. Oh, wonderful. Good. Wait.
Okay, now look at each other.
Nham rồi bộ đó.
Hold hands in the front. 10 minutes for food. Yeah.
I'm going to cry.
Wait, go to the middle a little. Yes. Center, a little bit more to the. Okay, right there. Okay, do this. Go ahead.
And then 1, 2.
Oh, can see.